Wow, do you want to save some money on software? Maybe you're trying to start a business, but you have no idea how to get started and what to do, what software is the best for you. Hey, I got the perfect solution. This is everything that you're probably going to need to get started at a low price. And you can't go wrong with Pabbly. Just check out this software. You can do email, billing, forms, email verification, and connects. Pabbly connects. You know, it's not real. You don't need a lot of technical skills in order to use this. They got ton of videos where that you can watch on how to do a lot of stuff. They got, advanced features to scale. They got a 98% customer satisfaction. You show me a company out there that does this the exact same thing where they got a 98% customer satisfaction. You're not going to find it. You're not going to find it. And if you do, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'll check them out and do a review on them. But they're trusted by 27,000 customers. They got a ton of 5-star reviews. You got a lot of people, All American, Avaya, a lot of these big companies, big Fortune 500 companies are using these. You got schools. So just check out all this stuff. You get everything you're going to need for your business. You're going to get Pabbly Connect because it helps you with your workflow, your transfer to data, and you got, you can do your payment. If you're doing software or you're doing stuff where you getting payments for your affiliate stuff, and email marketing where you're sending out a campaign. You got forms you can build for payments, leads, and surveys. You can do the email verification to make sure, when you send something that you get something back to make sure that it's a live person, that it's a legit email, and you're not wasting your space or your time. That's always good to have. Like I said, ton of 5-star reviews. And check this out. You got all of these companies right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different companies that do 6 different things. But this one software right here, Pabbly Plus, does everything that 6 companies does. So all you need is one low cost. It's going to save you a ton of money. So they got a 30-day money-back guarantee. They got a ton of videos that you can watch for tutorials. There's no restriction on your features. Doesn't matter which plan you get. You're going to get all the features, all the bells and whistles. So you ain't got to worry about that. And like I said, they don't restrict any features on any application. If you're going to buy software, always get a month. Always get a year. Try to get 12 months, maybe 24, because you're going to get a better deal. It's just like this one. Here's a monthly deal. You get $49. But if you go 12 months, it's cheaper. Always go for software. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be Canva. It could be any of that stuff. Always go to try to get a year minimum. And if you can't find something, if they don't offer it, call them. I guarantee you they do, and they'll make you a deal on it, because it's just more. If you just get a better, you get more bang for your buck, and that's money you can save for something else. Right here, if you get 12 months, it's 30%. If you do 24, it's 40, 36, 50. I would always do minimum of 12 months because you can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. Depends on how many subscribers you have. If you're just starting off, you don't have a lot, so you can stick with the bare bones of 15,000. That's a lot. That's a lot of email lists right there. That's a big email list. Same thing with 30,000. When you first starting out, it'd be a while before you overdo that right there where you need more. Some of this other stuff you may need a little bit more, but I would just play it by day, month by month, and see what you need and what you don't need. But I would probably do the tier 1 then, because that's your cheapest, and that's what gives you the best bang for your buck as far as when you're just starting out, because the whole thing is to save some money, and this product will definitely save you some money in the long run, because it's amazing software. They got plenty of videos on how to do stuff. So don't hesitate. Check it out, because it's going to save you some money. You know, because it does everything that 5 different softwares does, but it does it in one software. And if you like this, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. And I'll see you on the next one.